What are we learning about today? Yeah, we're learning about farm animals.
Meow.
That's a cat.
Meow.
Cat does meow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to the first page. Very good. Now, which animal is this?
Dog.
Yeah. Wow, the dog goes woof woof. Now let's turn the page. Which animal is this?
Horse.
Horse. What does the horse do?
Neigh.
Do you want to press the button? Very good.
This.
Now let's turn the page. Wow, that's it. Turn the page.
Baby.
Good girl. Now what's that?
Baby.
That's a baby. Good girl. And which animal is this? Begins with M.
M.
Which animal begins with M? It's mouse.
Mouse.
What does a mouse do?
Me.
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Mouse.
Good girl. Now let's turn the page. Very good.
How baby.
Another baby. And what animal can you see?
Tummy.
Yeah, you can see the baby's tummy.
Yeah, nappy.
Yeah, baby's wearing nappy. Which animal can you see, Kiara?
Pig.
Pig. Press the pig button. What does the pig do?
Oink.
Oink, oink. Good girl. And the next page is the cows.
Cow.
Okay, what sound does a cow make?
Moon.
Good girl.
This.
Now press the button for the cow. Good girl. Very good. Where's the next page? Good girl. What's this?
How chicken.
Chickens. Good girl. Very good. Turn the page.
What?
Yeah. Now what's that? That is geese.
Where geese go?
Where's the geese button? Have a look at all the buttons. Where's the one for geese? It's at the bottom.
Huh?
On the bottom left.
Yeah.
On the bottom right.
Right.
Very good, Kiara. Did you have fun learning about the animals?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Okay, bye.